Raindrops falling on the temple stones. I walk alone, but never alone. History speaks in a silent tone. Here in the cafe, I call it home.
Soft guitar plays near the candles glow. Tea in my hands, time moving slow. Looking outside at the ruins so old. Stories of kings and queens retold.
Echoes through the rain, calling our names. Two voices weaving through time's old frame. Harmony rising, soft and clear. In this old city, our hearts draw near. Echoes, echoes, rain like a song we follow. Pages of the past on the cafe wall.
Rain outside forms a silver fall.
Coffee steam rising, soft and slow.
Stories of kings and rivers flow.
Paintings faded, statues near.
Old town whispers for us to hear.
Cup in hand, a world apart.
Warmth of history, warmth of heart.
Coffee and history, sip by sip.
Old river tales at our lips.
Skate the city's restless cry.
Coffee and history, you and I. Granite notes under soft guitar.
Road horns echo from afar.
We drift together on gentle sound.
Old city rhythm all around.
Footsteps fade, market sleeps.
Temple bells ring, memory keeps. Our harmonies rise like smoke. Ancient air in every note.
Oh, 6 6 minutes in a timeless room, tie bells ringing, soft perfume,
two voices weaving past and now.
coffee and history here and now.
Coffee and history. Steel and glass fade away. Old stones guide my day.
I find a cafe by the stream,
Bitter coffee, sweet daydream.
soft light filters through old wood.
Past feels near, present good.
I breathe in spice, I hear the rain.
In this cafe I lose my chain. Escape in the old town cafe, we unwind. River songs and temple chimes combine. From the rush we're free at last. Escape in the old town, hold it fast.
Strings and cane echo slow.
Boat songs drift as breezes blow.
Time stands still, just you and me.
Coffee steam, tranquility. Lantern shadows, paper thin.
History folds and tucks us in.
Two voices low, two hearts align.
Old town's peace is yours and mine.
Escape in the old town cafe, we unwind. River songs and temple chimes combine. From the rush we're free at last. Escape in the old town, hold it fast. 6 minutes of escape, no plans. Rain and music holding hands.
Ancient bricks, river wide, old cafe. Our quiet time. Escape.
Rain taps a rhythm soft and slow. Strings on the guitar gently glow. Outside ruins like dreams awake. Inside the cafe, songs we made.
Scent of jasmine floats in air. Golden statues shining there.
I sing a verse, you play the chord. Rain and time in one accord. Harmony of rain and time echo through the hall. Two hearts, two voices answering the call. Past and present weave in rhyme. Harmony of rain and time. Flute notes drifting above our tune. Soft high drums like monsoon. Every drop a note, every chord a prayer. The cafe and the ruins share the air.
We breathe together, we stretch the line. Our voices wander through age and time. Rain like hymn notes, bright and clear. Ancient echoes draw us near.
Harmony of rain and time echo through the hall. Two hearts, two voices answering the call. Past and present weave in rhyme. Harmony of rain and time. Two languages, one song, one night. Strings and bamboo under soft light. 6 minutes of flowing sound. Rain and time all around. Rain and time. Rain and time. Lantern light on ancient beams. River glows with silver streams.
I pour my cup
Old town's heart beating inside. Paper lanterns sway above. Cafe hum soft like dove.
I sing a line, you hum along.
History's echo fills our song. Lantern light cafe where time stands still. Old river outside, hearts refill.
Harmony warm, voices blend.
Lantern light cafe, time to mend.
Granite glitters with guitar tone.
Boat songs drift like a drone.
Steam from cups, rain's refrain.
Old town washes off the pain. Your chord, my voice, a gentle stream. Past and present, read and dream. We take 6 minutes, slow and free. Lantern light our melody. Soft bells and keen, riverside. Two voices under lantern sky.
History cradles our quiet hearts. Lantern light cafe where peace starts.
Lantern light cafe. City fades behind old town ahead. Cobblestone streets, stories unread. Cafe by the river, quiet and wide. I sip my coffee, slow inside.
Soft breeze carries temple chimes. Past and present intertwine.
Steam of tea and morning light. Calm and golden, clear and bright. Morning calm by the old river. Our voices flow, ancient walls and gentle winds softly glow. We escape the rush, we find our time.
Morning calm, old
whitewashed roofs echoes near.
Your smile like jasmine on the air. I strum the strings, no one stares.
Boat glides slowly down below. Lantern reflections shimmer and show.
We hold our song like a small flame. This cafe knows our names.
Soft bells and river hum a prayer. 6 minutes breathing ancient air. Two hearts resting in this space. Old town slow embrace.
Morning calm, old river wide.
This cafe between worlds, warm and small. Outside the ruins, inside it all. I play the strings, a mellow tune. Raindrops dancing under the moon.
This cafe between worlds, tea in hand, watching old stones across the land. I hum a song, you join my line, ancient and present intertwined.
The cafe between worlds, voices entwined, guitar and raindrops keeping time. Male and female harmony blend, songs without start, songs without end.
Soft came echoes like falling rain, history humming through my veins. Every chord a gate, every note a door, past and present on the floor.
I sing the story, you strum the past. Together we build a song to last. Red and guitar under soft light, rain a curtain for our night. The cafe between worlds, voices entwined, guitar and raindrops keeping time. Male and female harmony blend, songs without start, songs without end.
6 minutes of calm, no rush, no fear, two voices meeting here.
Cafe between worlds, rain between years, music of time in our ears. Cafe between worlds,
Rain and music swirl.
warm wooden seats, smell of the rain, guitar on my lap, old town remains. I hum a melody, slow and low, lanterns flicker in a gentle glow.
Across from you, I write a line of a song we share, yours and mine. Rain on the window, soft and true, past and present blending in view.
Two voices in Ayutthaya, singing in the night.
Ancient walls and gentle rain holding us tight.
Harmonies drifting like clouds above, songs of the ruins, songs of our love. Reflections shimmer on the temple floor, soft keen echoes by the open door. Every brick a beat beat, every drop a tone. This cafe feels like a sacred home.
I sip the tea, I hear the chime. History flows in 6-day time. We weave our song with rain's refrain. Two voices, one heart, one chain.
We hum the past, we sing the now. Rain and Kim like a vow. 6 minutes breathing, no need to rush. Ancient and present in one hush. Voices, voices, rain and strings, our choices. Under the temple sky, rain gently falls. Guitar notes echo off ancient walls. A sip of coffee, a quiet sigh. Old stones watching as time goes by.
Under the temple sky, candles inside. The cafe glows warm as raindrops slide.
Memories whisper through the air.
History's heartbeat everywhere.
Under the temple sky,
Our voices blend.
songs of the past with no end. Harmony rising, soft and bright. Under the temple sky tonight. Lantern reflections, hymns softly play. River scent drifting, colors fade.
Buddha statues
voice like jasmine in my ear. I sing a verse, you play the chord. Rain and Rana in one accord. We stretch each note, we let it flow. Old town humming, soft and low. Rain like a mantra, strings like a prayer, two hearts singing in open air. 6 minutes of timeless sound. Temple sky and souls unbound. Temple sky,
Temple sky,
rain and time go by. Whispers rise from river stones, old town sighs in muted tones. I strum the chords a simple line, coffee cooling time unwinds.
leaves drift past the open door. History hums across the floor. I sing a verse, your eyes meet mine. Two voices echo out of time.
Whispers by the wide river, gentle and slow. We drift on stories only ruins know. Harmony like water under the moon. Whispers by the wide river tune.
Kim notes falling like soft rain.
Past and present call our names. Every sip a prayer, every sound a sign. Old town cafe, yours and mine.
Bamboo paints the air.
Soft bells shimmer everywhere.
We stretch the song like a